Hi everyone, today I am going to solve an Excel assignment. Excel 1 is streamer sales. In its project description, in the following project, you will create a worksheet comparing the sales of different types of oven streamers sold in the second quarter. That's our project description. We will move to our first step. Our first step is open the student Excel 1 e streamer downloaded with this project. I have already opened this file. That's our file. I will make this one enable editing. That's our file. We will go to our second step. Change the workbook theme to Wisp. If the theme is not available, click or press the browser themes and then select the downloaded theme file Wisp. If you have uh, a Excel version which is not updated, so you will go to here in the themes and browse this one as a theme. But in the newest versions of Excel, here Wisp is available, so you will select this one from this theme gallery as a wisp. Now it's applied to our workbook. That's our second step. In our third step, in the cell B3, use the fill handle to fill the month February to March in the range C3 to D3. So we will go to the cell B3. That's our cell B3. We will drag this one up to D3. So you see, when we drag, it's February and March displayed. So that's our third step. Our fourth step is merge and center the title across the range A1 to F1. So we will select A1 to F1, and this one we will go to the home tab and select merge and center. And what we need to do again, apply the title cell style. We will apply this one as a cell style as a title cell style. That's applied. And what he is saying, merge and center the subtitle across the A2 to F2. So we will merge and center A2 to F2. Here we will merge and center this one. And what he is saying, then apply the heading 1 cell style. We will go to the cell style and select this one as a heading 1 cell style. That's our step. Center the column title in the range B3 to F3. We will go select B3 to F3, and this one as a make this one as a alignment as a center. So it's now in the center. That's our fourth step. In our fifth step, he is telling us about if any columns are too narrow to display all the data, or apply autofill to the columns. So we will select all the columns and double click on this. So it's autofit now. In the range B7 to D7, enter the monthly sales figure from the title cattle for the January, February and March as follows. So we will put this one as a January. We will copy this and move to this one as a here and paste it as a January. And for February, this one amount we will copy and paste this one amount as a February. And what is the third thing he is asking for March? We will copy this and paste this one as a March. That's our fifth step. We have total 15 steps of this assignment. I have performed 5 steps in this video. If you want to know the remaining steps of this assignment, or if you don't understand the steps I have performed in this video, you can contact me on my WhatsApp. So I will show you the complete solution of this file. I will close this file. Don't save this file, and I will show you a solution of this file from my solutions. I have solution here. I will show you what it will see when it's end. It will see like that. When you end this one, we will make a graph. We will make a line streamline. We have added the total cell styles and also everything. And if you want to get the complete solution of this file, you can contact me on my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video. Or you can contact me through my email address. My email address is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video. Or you can scan the WhatsApp barcode which is given at the start of the video and at the end of the video. Or you can just comment on this video, so I will get you soon. And if you like my video, please subscribe my channel to get a new video update. Thank you.